Hello all, I am PWNly working as an assistant professor at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon in Mechanical Engineering Department. So today we will discuss about model testing of centrifugal pump. So before manufacturing the large size pump, their models which are in complete similarity with the actual pump. Actual pump are known as prototype. The tests are conducted on the models. Okay, models are nothing but small uh, replica of prototype. Okay, or small pumps. So tests are conducted on models and performance of prototype are predicted. The complete similarity between the model and actual pump is prototype. Okay, will exist if the following conditions are satisfied. Number one is specific speed of model equal to specific speed of prototype. Okay, that is n suffix s of m equal to n suffix s of p. Okay, so we have already found out the equation for specific speed. What is the equation? N under root q upon h raised to the power hm raised to the power 3 by 4. So model equal to prototype. M for model, P for prototype. Second condition is what? Uh, Under root hm upon dn equal to constant. How we are getting this? So tangential velocity is given by u equal to pi dn by 60. So u is proportional to under root of hm. How? Pi is constant, 60 is constant. Okay, and yes, u is proportional to under root hm. How u is proportional to under root hm and how u is proportional to dn? So pi is constant, 60 is constant. So u is proportional to dn, number one. Next thing is what? U equal to ku under root 2ghm. So ku is speed ratio, it is constant. 2 is constant. Okay, g is constant. So finally you are getting u is proportional to under root hm and u is proportional to dl. Therefore, under root hm is proportional to dl. Now these equations and correlations we already discussed while finding the equations for specific speed. So therefore, under root hm is proportional to dn. So therefore, under root hm by dn equal to constant. So we can write this equation as for model and can be equated with respect to prototype. So under root hm by dn of model equal to under root hm by dn of prototype. Okay. So first condition is this, specific speed of model equal to specific speed of prototype. If you want to have a model testing of centrifugal pump, the following conditions are satisfied. Second condition is this, that is under root hm by dnm equal to under root hm by dnp. Third condition is what? We know that q is proportional to d square into vf. Okay, and vf is proportional to u proportional to dn. So vf is proportional to dn. And how we are getting q is proportional to d square? We know that q equal to area into velocity, that is pi d1 b1 vf1. Pi d1 b1 vf1, and b1 is proportional to d1, so it is d square. Pi is constant, so q is proportional to d square into vf, but vf is proportional to u. Why? Because u is proportional to under root hm. Vf is also proportional to under root hm, so that's why it is proportional to dl. So you are getting d square into d into l. So finally you are getting d cube into n. So therefore q by d cube n equal to constant. So again we can write the equation q by d cube n model equal to q by d cube n prototype. Okay. So this is also known as flow coefficient. Okay, and this is head coefficient, and last one is power coefficient. So this p upon d to the power 5 n cube is nothing but power coefficient. How are we getting power coefficient? P is rho g q hm. Okay. So therefore it is proportional to, it is 1000. Okay, it is not 75, it is not 1000. So p is proportional to q into hm because rho and g are constant, but q is proportional to d cube n. Okay, this is what? Q is proportional to d cube n. Therefore it is d cube n hm, but h under root hm is proportional to dn. see here, under root hm is proportional to dn. Therefore, what you are getting that? Yes, d cube n into d square h square. So d to the power 5 into n cube. So p upon d to the power 5 n cube equal to constant. So you can write it for model equal to prototype. Now we'll solve some problems on this. Okay, model testing. So in order to predict the performance of a large centrifugal pump, a scale model of 1/6 size, scale model of 1/6 size was made with the following specifications: power P equal to 25, magnetic head 7 meter, N is 1000 RPM. If the prototype pump has to work against a head of 22 meter, calculate its working speed, power required to drive it, and ratio of flow rate handled by two pump. So scale ratio is 1/6, 1:6. So for model you can write PM, M is model, okay. It is 25 kilowatt, head magnetic head 7 meter, and speed is 1000 RPM. You have to calculate what PP. Then prototype, power of prototype. Manometric head of prototype is given as 22 meters. So very simple by using these relations. First of all, we use this equation. What head coefficient? So under root h manometric of dn for model equal to prototype. Okay. So you can write this what np, n suffix p equal to this dm by dp into nm. What is dm by dp? It is 1/6. Okay. Then this is what manometric head. So you can calculate RPM of prototype. Now power required to drive the prototype pump, you can write this equation. P by D to the power 5 n cube of model equal to this prototype. By equating this equation, you can calculate what? This is again dp by dm. dp by dm, and here we have taken dm by dp. Okay. So it is 6/1. So you are getting what? Power of prototype 5014.6 kilowatt. Okay. In the similar way, you can calculate ratio of flow rate. So flow coefficient you can use. So you have to calculate QP by QM. Okay. So you can calculate this as a 63.82 meter. Again, we'll solve more problem on this. Two geometrically similar pumps are running at the same speed of 1000 RPM. One pump has an impeller diameter of 300 mm and lift the water at the rate of 0.02 meter cube per second against the head of 15 meter. Calculate head and impeller diameter of other pump to deliver half the discharge. So you can write this: pump 1 1000 RPM, pump 2 speed of pump 2, then D1 diameter, D2 you have to calculate, and magnetic head you have to calculate. So you can use this equation An under root Q H manometric raised to the power. This is specific speed equation. So you can calculate H manometric for second pump. Then use this H manometric by DN. So you can calculate D2. Okay. Then next, 3 meter cube of water per second is lifted to the height of 30 meter with an efficiency of 75% by single stage centrifugal pump. The impeller diameter is 300 mm and it is rotating at 2000 RPM. Calculate number of stages and number of each impeller of a similar multi-stage pump to lift the 5 meter cube of water per second to the height of 200 meter when rotating at 1500 RPM. Okay. So single stage pump and multi-stage pump. You can write this Q1, Q2, H manometric 1, H manometric 2, the number of stages. Okay. So by equating specific speed, you can calculate the H manometric head, and then you can write number of stages equal to total head upon head per stage. Okay. Then diameter of each impeller, by using this H manometric by dn, you will calculate D2. Okay. Then last problem. A centrifugal pump is discharging 0.025 meter cube per second of water. In short, you have to use the specific speed relation, head coefficient, flow coefficient, and power coefficient to solve such problems. Okay. So centrifugal pump is discharging 0.025 meter cube per second of water against a total head of 18 meter. Diameter of impeller is 0.4 meter and is rotating at 1400 rpm. Calculate head discharge and ratio of power of a geometrically similar pump. Okay. So you can write the centrifugal pump for pump 1 and pump 2 and go on using this. But head coefficient, okay. Then flow coefficient and power coefficient, you will get the answers. So stop here. You do the practice, more practice on the problems of pump, and if you have any problem, you can ask to me. Thank you.